Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EURUSD. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Hello everybody, welcome to technical analysis of the Forex market from the ForexPeaceArmy.com. Today we will talk as usual about the euro currency. Start also as usual from the daily time frame. Well, what do we see during today's trading session? It's right current moment. Trend, as you can see, holds bullish on the daily time frame. Market has reached strong area of resistance right here. This was the 127 extension from that ABCD pattern, also the 618 target from that greater ABCD, okay. Also that is 76 resistance from that swing from that high to that low. So market hit it, shows the indecision pattern, highway pattern, and now collapse to the downside. This, by the way, the excellent example of the bearish engulfing pattern. Our trading plan for the yesterday has been accomplished, so we said that market should reach at least that area between the weekly pivot point, that was right here in previous highs at the same level 144.7, and weekly pivot support weekly pivot point around the first fib support on the daily time frame 143.50 area, roughly 143.65 is right here. So market has hit it precisely that area and now shows some pullback from that level. Well, the major question is what could happen in the short-term period and in the medium term. In the medium term, I said that this price action, particularly in this area, is not very typical for the bearish environment, because you can see A, B, C, market has hit only 618 target, retraced, that's normal, but later couldn't establish the new lows. I do not want to tell about the continuation, because we have to see the continuation if market is really bearish. That hasn't happened. And in the medium term, this tells me that probably we do not see the 137 level. Well, everything could happen, some fundamentals could change, maybe micro data can influence on the market, but in current environment, if it will stand as it is, I suppose that market has more bullish chances than the bearish, particularly this butterfly on the weekly and daily time frame with the target around 152. In the short term, rather, we can see that market has hit 127 extension. It accelerates from that ABCD pattern right to the 127, because here it was 618, 100%, 127 precisely was right here. Well, in this extension in general tells me that probably market could continue move higher, especially we see that on the 100% target there was no reversal to the downside. Market even now could break down this B point from that ABCD pattern. That's not very typical, but still we can't exclude the retracement to the 142.50 area. This is 618 support from this low to that high. Okay, and in general market could show 618 and then continue move to the upside. Well, on the daily, from daily point of view, we couldn't tell that. Should look at the lower time frames. Sorry, that's a bit early here. This is the 4-hour chart of the euro currency. What do we see here? Nice thrust down, consolidation. Again, new plunge to that area. Okay, you can see market now show bouncing from that area. So if you are has chosen the aggressive tactics for enter, so you should enter right from that area and from that area. Now you should have some profit in your position, because market shows respect of that area. Monthly pivot point, first fib support has been broken down, so market now shows respect of that confluence support and weekly pivot point. So our advice was to place stop to break even. If you now have the long position, you can do that. Okay, because this plunges to the downside makes me think that probably maybe market could continue move to the downside. But from the another point of view, if we'll take a look on the hourly chart, okay, let's take a look in here, you can see that hourly trend has turned bullish. So this could be just a pullback from the strong resistance in market, hitting the weekly pivot point, could return back and trying to break it to the upside. That is the 786 resistance on the daily time frame. Okay, we could trade it also right here. You can see that market now hit 618 target from that ABC pattern, ABCD, 100%, 61618. This is, by the way, the 1618 target, FIB support, confidence support, and weekly pivot point. That's strong area of support. Now you can see some pullback from that area, and daily trend has turned bullish. And what do we see? What do we have? We have daily trend bullish, and hourly trend is bullish. So formally and technically, we should take as our conservative tactics to enter on the long side of the market. We could use some shallow retracement from that swing, okay, to enter on the long side of the market. Sorry, right here. Here, this is the 50-minute chart. You can see that swing to the upside, that market accelerates. Take a look at these flat tops. This tells about the huge volume, selling volume in that area. There are a lot of short positions. Market even couldn't establish the new highs. Then it's break to the upside. Now it shows some retracement. The first area to watch for, if you are bullish, you can try to make this risky trade, but with a very tight stop. This is the first FIB support from that swing, 144.6. It stands precisely in the area of the monthly pivot point, and place stop somewhere around 143.85, 143.80 in quotes of the futures quotes. Okay, this will be just the 20 pips stop. But if market really continue move to the upside, and our suspicion about the assumption about the further continuation to the upside will be correct, then your position will be just excellent. So you can try that, because formally we have no context for entering on the short side of the market, because we have daily trend is bullish and hourly trend is bullish. So formally we should treat current pullback only as retracement. Okay, so if market will break this area to the downside and move below the weekly pivot point, I will say that probably next target is around 42.50, and probably the weekly pivot support one that stands somewhere around that area. Okay, but before that, since the hourly and daily trends are bullish, we should treat current move as just a pullback from the resistance, and I think that we should try to do that very tight stop trade. So probably we could enter on the long side of the market from that area with the hope of continuation to the upside. The stop somewhere around 143.80, somewhere right here. Okay, that's my current view on the situation. But in general, all the trades that we have discussed currently have the sufficient risk, because the signals on the different time frames are very contradictive. Because on daily time frame, from the one point of view we have the bullish trend, from the another point of view we have the bearish engulfing pattern. So probably you can treat it differently, but in general we do not see any strong bearish patterns on the hourly trend, on the hourly time frame, on the daily time frame, except this bearish engulfing, and both trends are bullish. So I think that still current move down we should treat as a retracement in the longer trend. Okay, market hits 618 target, confidence support, weekly pivot point, pullback. So I think that we could try to enter long from that area around monthly pivot point with the stop somewhere around 143.80.